Alright, so I'm here to test out the OmniShaver. That's what it looks like. I just put a little bit of shaved butter on my head. I like to use this stuff even though it's for women's legs. It still works pretty well. Because I can't hold this and shave obviously myself, I got my daughter filming me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start shaving, alright? So you just go back and forth. Don't, until you get used to it, don't do it too many times. Just gotta go through and, you know, cleans itself so you don't have to do it. Occasionally I like to wet it just because it is what it is, but you can kind of feel it as it's going. You can, you gotta make sure you get behind your ears. And just, you're shaving, you can kind of feel it. If you let it get too long, just like with any other razor, it's going to tug a little bit because long hair is not great for razors. But as you're going, it does work really well, doesn't it, kiddo?
Yeah.
That is, that's just about it. I'll go through and give it one rinse and then get rid of some of the hair on there. And as you go through, you feel pretty darn smooth. I mean, you can feel where it goes. I like to go just one more time because I like to make it baby soft. And that's pretty much it. All right, hit in.